Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step how you can buy XRP2. So this is actually super easy. The first thing you want to do, go to poocoin.app and find XRP2. Just type it in and this is it, XRP2. And this is running on the Binance Smart Chain. So a must for this, like a requirement, is you need to have Chrome browser. You need the Chrome browser because we have to install an extension. You want to go to metamask.io and install this to your browser. So when you hit install, you can get to a page like this, Chrome Web Store. And once you installed it, as you can see, I've done that. Go to the top right to extensions and then open the MetaMask. So MetaMask is a wallet that you can use on the browser. So by default, all of these networks are available, but the Binance Smart Chain isn't available. So we have to add it manually. So go to Advanced RPC, network name, Binance Smart Chain. This is the RPC URL, and if you want all this information yourself, go to the description. I put everything of this in the description down below, okay? Chain ID 56, BNB, and BC scan. Then you want to hit save. So I already saved it. I already made one, but go ahead and hit save and then select Binance Smart Chain from here. So then it will look like this. As you can see, we first have to put Binance coins into our wallet in order to change this to XRP2. So that's what I'm going to show you right now. You want to be using Binance for this. So if you don't have a Binance account, go to the link in the description down below and create your account from there, okay? Go to wallet then, fiat and spot. And then you can go to Binance Coin, BNB, withdraw. And now we are going to send this to our wallet. So open up your wallet again, MetaMask, copy, paste it in, use the Binance Smart Chain we just created, amount, so let's say 1000 as an example. So I can't send it because I don't have enough balance, but just enter in the right amount for you and then hit submit, and it will be sent immediately within seconds to your wallet on MetaMask. So once you've done that and the balance is showing up right here, we go over to the next step and buy the XRP2. So go to PancakeSwap. That's what you want to do then. PancakeSwap.finance is the link we have to use. And now we first have to connect it to our wallet. So for me, I'm going to log out and log in again. You want to go ahead and hit connect, select MetaMask, and as you can see, now your MetaMask wallet is automatically connected to PancakeSwap. And now we can change it to XRP2. Go to trade, exchange, go from Binance, let's say 1000, and now we have to select the currency, but XRP2 won't be here. So only the normal Ripple will be there, but we have to go to PooCoin again, copy this thing again, this address, and then go to PancakeSwap, paste it in, and as you can see, there it is, XRP2, and now you can buy it from here. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time.